Question. Two objects have masses 8 kg, 25 kgs. Which one has more in ratio? Why? Children. Two objectives with mass. Children. One object with mass 25 kg has more in ratio. Second one, point C, the resistance to change the state of object will be more for a body of larger mass. Second one, what is momentum of 6.0 kg bowling ball with a velocity of 2.2 meters per second? What is the momentum? See now, mass of the ball equal m equal to how much? 6.0 kg. Velocity of the ball v equal to 2.2 meters per second. So momentum is equal, p is equal m into v, mass into velocity. 6.0 kg into 2.2 meter per second, that is called 132 kg meter per second, that is called 13.2 Newton per second. Observe children. Two people push a car for 3 seconds with a combined net force of 200 newtons. First one, calculate the impulse provided to the car. Children. Question C. Answer, third question answer. F net equal 200 Newton. In the question will given. Next, delta T time change is equal 3 seconds. Next, impulse delta P equal F net minus delta T. That equal 200 into 3, that equal 600 Newton per second. Next, second one. If the car has mass of 200 kgs, what will be the changes in velocity? C. Second. Mass of a car 200 kg. Net force F net equal 200 newtons. Delta T equal 3 seconds. Change the velocity delta V. Find out. Question mark. Therefore, F net equal m into delta V by delta T. Therefore, F net 200 equal mass 1200 into delta V by delta T 3. 3 1 ja 3 delta V equal 200 by 400. 1 ja 2. That equal 0.1 meters per second. Observe change. Next, what is force is required to produce an acceleration of the 3 meters per second and object with mass 0.7 kgs? See. Situlence. Question number 5. Mass m equal to 0.7 kg. Acceleration a equal to 3 meters per second square. The force required equal to question mark. Force equal m into a, mass into acceleration. 0.7 into 3 equal 2.1 newtons. This is children's. Observe.